YouTube. On the last video, I shared with y'all how I went from 25 subscribers on YouTube to 50 subscribers on YouTube. On this video right here, I'm gonna share with y'all what I did to go from 50 subscribers on YouTube to 100 subscribers on YouTube in one day. All right. So let me explain. I play games, right? So I'm on Xbox. I'm on PlayStation. I actually started on Xbox first. And then I got a PlayStation because I seen that there's a niche for content creators on PlayStation as well. I'm like, you know what? It's not just about playing games on Xbox, right? I tap into one audience on the Xbox. The other audience, for me personally, is on the PlayStation. Yeah, people play on PC. However, console gaming, for me, has been a part of my life for a very long time. So I know that I connect with people on playing games as well. All right, so as far as getting subscribers and getting 50 subscribers in one day, right? Went from 50 to 100, all right? So on the last video, I shared with y'all how I did it, right? On this video, pretty much, I pretty much duplicated what I did, right? So from going from 0 to 10, and then 10 to 25, and then 25 to 50, and then 50 to 100, is pretty much the same thing. If you did it before and you doubled your results once, you can do it again, right? So what I wound up doing is I went live on TikTok longer because I'm also a content creator on TikTok, and I went live on TikTok longer, right? And I noticed the longer I go live on TikTok, the more people they're gonna bring to my page. And the more people they bring to my live, and I'm in front of them, I have a chance to get a follower on TikTok and also convert that follower to a subscriber on YouTube. So what wound up happening? What wound up happening, y'all? We did the same method that we did on the last video. People that want to fight me on UFC 4, UFC 5, right? We ran it. How did we run it? We ran it because they followed me first. They followed me on TikTok. And then second, most importantly, because I'm promoting YouTube. I'm promoting the growth of my channel. YouTube, right? They hit that subscribe button. And once they did that, we ran a fight. We played the game, right? And it just kept happening over and over and over and over again. Repetition is the key, right? Staying consistent, having a goal, setting a goal, sharing your goal with your audience is very important, right? So people that's watching me right now, I really appreciate each and every one of y'all, right? I'm going to share more goals with y'all. How I went from 0 subscribers to, put it like this, watch time hours, 0 watch time hours, to currently over 3,000 watch time hours. And guess what? Pretty soon we're going to hit 4,000 watch time hours and be fully monetized on YouTube within that year. All right? So stay tuned to the videos. I'm going to share a whole bunch of gems with y'all, and I pray that we all can grow together. ABG, always be growing. Always be growing. All right? I look forward to speaking with y'all soon. All right? Comment on the video. If you have any questions, let me know. We are here for y'all. All right? This isn't just a channel where you see gaming content. You're going to see gaming content. You're going to see unboxings. You're going to get the truth, right? You're going to get positive vibes, all right? I'm here to listen as well. So if y'all have any questions, or if you just want to talk, you want to vent, anything like that, say it in the comments. Say it in the comments. I'm here. I'm looking at the comments. Like up the live, hit that subscribe, turn on the notifications because it's a vibe. Appreciate each and every one of y'all. I will see y'all soon. Peace.